Brilliant.
Hey, more of them.
Hang on.
Christ.
Get out of the way!
Whoa, whoa, whoa. Careful. Tim, that goddamn truck again. Crap.
Come!
Please don't run anyone over.
Sorry!
God damn it. You gotta shake that truck.
Working on it.
Long.
Take it, Washington again.
We need to keep heading downhill.
It's like a maze here.
Well, just keep heading down.
Hang on!
Where the hell are you going?
You're the one who said just head down!
Jesus!
Coming through!
Oh, this was really a great idea, Nate.
Do you want to drive?
Oh, you're doing just fine.
See? I got it. These guys don't give up. Okay, through here.
Oh, stop, stop, stop!
Stick shift.
Come on, get out of here.
Okay.
Go!
I'm just gonna cut through here. What am I supposed to do now?
Hey, up the stairs!
Here we go.
Whoa! Go!
Man, Rafe really wants us out of the picture.
Gee, you think?
You think we lost him?
Hey, Nate,
Yeah?
we can never, ever come back to this shit.
Add it to the list.
Ah,